Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to check spam messages on iPhone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily check all your spam messages on your iPhone. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now once you open your iMessage, you can see at the upper right corner edit. So before you check your spam messages, open your settings, and once you open your settings, scroll to where you can see messages, and once you click on messages, you can see this option which says filter unknown senders. So you can see filter unknown senders. Just enable this toggle, and once you turn on this toggle, the edit option over here will change into filters. So you can see at the upper right corner, at first it was edit, but now it is filters. Now click on this filters, and once you click on this filters, you can see over here all messages, unknown senders, known senders, unknown senders, unread messages, and you can see recently deleted. So now to check all your spam messages, all you want to do is to click on unknown messages over here. So you can see I'm not having any unknown messages. So just go back, and you can also click on unknown senders over here. So you can choose to filter the unknown senders, and or you can choose to also block them as well. So with this, you can just check all your unknown or your spam messages on your iMessage or on your iPhone. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video